for the Independent High Court in Goa. Earlier we had it 2 years back in Margam. There is a demand since we have got a statehood for Goa, and as per the Article 214 of Indian Constitution, every state should have its Independent High Court. As per that article, we are demanding Independent High Court for Goa. So we are having the seminar. Those who are against us and those who are for us, दोघांच्या views ऐकून घेतले. It's a seminar where not only lawyers, public journalists असतले, advocate, architect, engineers आणि activists सगळ्यांक आम्ही आपयल्या. थोडे स्पीकर्स आसा आमचे ते आमी डिटेल्स आता advocate अविनाश भोसले दितलोच तुमकां. But anyway, we are having seminar on 30th May in Minister Braganza Hall, same place at around 4 o'clock. And after that, from 4 o'clock, it will start for almost 3 hours. So we are going to have that seminar for the demanding Independent High Court from Goa. As far as this is concerned, North Goa Advocate Association President and South Goa Advocate President, दोघी जाण आमच्या बरोबर असतले. They will be presiding with us and they will be participating in demanding the Independent High Court for Goa, and we have invited other senior counsels.
But we have Mr. Ramakan Khala, who will be delivering keynote address. We will have Radharao Precious, we have our own Anand Vegesh. We have Raju Gomis, the President of South Goa District Association. Mr. Sanjay Rani, President of North Goa District Association. We have our National Vice President, all India level, Mr. Advocate A.K. Narayan, who is from Kerala. He will preside over the seminar. And we have from our journalists, we have Sandesh Prabhudesai, who will be also putting his views. From Labour front, we have Ajit Singh Rani. And from social media, we have Samir Kelekar. And of course, there are others which we are not confirmed. So these are various speakers who will be enlightening on this issue. A diverse view will be coming. It is not that we are just demanding one-sided. It will be the exponents from both the side of it. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we will take a definitely call and resolution to that effect will be taken.
We have a medical college. All the doctors have a chance to go to the medical college. We have a university where the educationists go there. We have a legislature mind. And the legislature, if we think our legislature is bad, we should get a legislature from outside. Why not have an extension of that legislature to Goa? And I don't think our legislature is as good as we think it is. It is no legislature at all. They don't legislate. They don't even talk in the legislature. Why not have it from outside? Just because we think that the Bombay High Court can give justice, should we, the lawyers in Goa, the litigants in Goa, suffer? Because our main, the court must be run by the sons of the soil, because justice originates there. Our laws are different. We have Omkar Act, with the Bombay High Court lawyers know, judges don't know. We have our Succession Act, with the Bombay High Court lawyers do not know, now the judges know. They have to come and stay and learn the law here. And there are so many other expenses, so many other points to be considered whether we should have High Court or not. I tell you, the evidence that we must at this point of time have a High Court is overwhelming. There is no gainsaying that, no, we can stop here. We can't. We have to have our third leg, and we must stand on our own legs. Why should the youth of this state, why should the talented youth lawyers be deprived of an opportunity to go to the High Court? Maybe you'll hear my views in depth at the seminar. All we say is, all lawyers be present and express your view, whatever views you have. You are pro High Court, yes, come in. If you are anti-High Court, come in and say, convince us to your point of view. And those who are neutral, please come here and give us the support. That is why we have assembled today with my colleagues here, who are doing a marvelous job. They are introducing a topic in the north which had to be done. For us in the south, it was difficult. We have been having agitation right from 1978. Right from 1978 till date, we have agitating and saying, give us our third leg. Why are you depriving us? Our statehood is not completed without a judiciary of our own. We need a judiciary of our own, and therefore we demand that complete the mandate of the Constitution. Article 214 says a very simple sentences. Every state shall have its own High Court.
So my earnest request to all the media that if we have our own legislature, if we have our own executive, why not have our own High Court?